What's going on, guys? Good morning and welcome from Miami. We're currently here at the Standard Hotel, the Standard Spa in South Beach, Miami. We're down here for Watches and Wonders. Watches and Wonders, besides fine watches, it's also about wonders. So there's going to be luxury cars and yachts and I think a lot of cool things for you guys to check out. And guess what? I want to take you guys along. I'm really excited. We were there yesterday at the Miami Design District already for the opening cocktail. I didn't take you guys there because it was dark and I wanted to enjoy Miami because this is so nice here. After New York being freezing and today snowing, this is a lot better. So let's go head over to the Miami Design District right now. This is 3D printed titanium powder and the edges are hollow. They made 81 of these. You know why 81? I don't know. I like math, so that's what I'm gonna explain to you. It's 100 models, but every no multiples of 4. So it's 100 models, 1 through 100, but there's no number 4, no number 8, no number 12. I don't know why. I think it's funny and I think it's cool and it's super light. I should be careful.
That one often doesn't associate necessarily with watchmaking or fine watchmaking. Whether that be titanium, whether that be tantalum, whether that be scratch-proof gold that we invented in 2012. So there really are a number of different innovations that we have here. Oh, by the way, my name is Jason. Hi. I deal with the marketing communications for the brand in the US and Canada, and I really love public speaking.
And they, in 2012, invented scratch-proof gold. I don't exactly know how that works, but it's actually really fun. Like, they have a bunch of innovation. Like, over there, they actually have carved sapphires. So take a look at that. So this one, the goldish looking one, and the red one, both carved sapphire. It looks like plastic, like you said, but it's actually definitely not at all. Get it, Eric? There it is.
Break it flat.
You already know I want to try that too, right? So, see, he's already got an advantage because he got the knit right. It doesn't really count to get the woven on. His flexibility is going to be impaired. Right on! So this is my watch, the Polo S, and I actually love literally all of these. These are all the POG Polo S. Very nice.
Piaget is famous for doing back in the 60s. Because they do such slim movements, they're sort of considered the master of ultra slim. But there's actually no separation between the movement and the case, which is special and unique to Piaget. So the back of the case is the main plate of the watch.
Wow.
Yeah, I actually haven't seen that one in a while.
I was in here last night, I didn't see it.
Yeah, we haven't had that in New York. You want to see it out of the case?
Yeah, can I? Yeah. What is this one?
This is 19.
I'm genuinely tempted right now. How do you feel about it? Feel really good right now? feel really, really good. What do you guys think? I think it's beautiful, no? Cheers, guys. Deutsch auch wieder, auch in dem Vlog. A little bit more German for you guys, because I know you don't speak it, so that's why. A little bit of a German connection. That guy actually grew up in Glashütte, where Aaaand Söhne is from in Germany, so we had a little German moment. One more and then we lunch.
available in rose gold and also in our Excellence Platine. So the 56 is now a brand new case shape, starting with the time only with date. This has a brand new caliber for us.
So we just had lunch, and now we're back out here, once again amidst the most beautiful cars, from classic cars like this Mercedes right here, all the way to just one right here. I think that's the Aventador. I'm not entirely positive, but next up is Cartier, so let's take a look inside there. Now these colors, guys, pink gold, and it's like faded navy grayish. That's my colors right there. Do you guys know that? I feel like you should know that by now.
Mystery is the name because there is no link between the crown and the movement. It's a floating movement. In the center of the watch,
This is all happening, guys. This is actually happening.
Can I offer a glass champagne?
Beautiful. Yes.
Yes.
Guys, I did it. It's officially mine. I'm putting it on. This is the first time where I'm not trying it on. I'm putting it on because it's mine. Woo! Okay.
Cheers!
Cheers. 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 Alright guys, it's the next day, and while Watches and Wonders technically still is going on, today there's a boat show, so yachts. Would love to see that. Sorry, I'm a little squinty, it's kind of bright out here. Brian and I are going to head back to New York today, but I wanted to take a second and talk to you guys about what we saw. It was very watch heavy, obviously, because it's called Watches and Wonders, and to be completely honest, I didn't have all that much experience with high-end watches, and I learned a whole lot, and it was honestly really amazing, because I feel like a lot of these things are really just pieces of art, and obviously, you just saw this for me, it's like yesterday. I'm very happy with this. It's my first fine watch that I actually bought for myself, and well, there was a lot of beautiful watches that I think are just more classic or more universal. I fell in love with this, and I think it's important that when you make it to that point in your life where you can get yourself something like that, I think you should be in love with it. And I am, so you guys are going to see that on Instagram a whole lot, and I'm sure in a few videos going forward too. And yeah, it was just a great experience to just talk and look at that. Although I gotta say, my legs were freaking tired by the end of it. We were just walking around, literally 15-minute appointments back to back to back to back to back all day long. All packed up, so we're gonna go grab lunch, which wraps up today's video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Let me know what your favorite watch was from down below. I would love to actually see, like I post a lot of my Insta stories, and I was surprised to see which watches got what reactions from which people, so it was really cool. So let me know down below if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon with the next video. Stay dapper. Bye.